What's up, guys? I'm just gonna go to this. So, now, like I said in one video, from here, you just type in like whatever number you want, and it will work. So that's 200% sauce. I think that's a little big. So let's try like 150 maybe. Yeah, I'd say 150, right? I think that looks pretty good. Let's see, that looks pretty good. No supports. Okay. If I enable supports, I don't have any on showing. It doesn't show any support going on. So I think we can just leave it, and all I can do is slice plate. As you can see, it's downloading right here. And oh, it's telling me to enable supports. But it doesn't need any. Yeah, we'll see what happens. And it's only gonna take 2 hours and 8 minutes, and the cost is 65 cents. Using how much this film is. Travel. I don't have that on. Yep. And break let's say send. So now, after that's downloading, I can show my computer and it'll see what it looks like. Let's okay, and should be pretty. Should have sent it to my printer.